स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट क्लास में हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के कुछ बेसिक्स देखे थे। आज भी अपन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के कुछ बेसिक्स ही देखते हैं। हम कुछ वैल्यूज होते हैं लाइक 30, 45 एंड 60। इनके वैल्यूज हम ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं ज्योमेट्रिकली। तो आज हम यही सीखते हैं कि हाउ टू ऑब्टेन वैल्यू ऑफ sin 30 और cos 30 और tan 30 और 45 और 60 geometrically. Let us start how to find value of sin 45 degree or cos 45 degree. For that purpose, we draw a right angled isosceles triangle. Let us ABC is a right angled isosceles triangle in which let AB is A and BC is also A. Using Pythagoras theorem, and in short we will write PGT. AC square will be AB square plus BC square. So it is A square plus A square, that is 2A square. Therefore AC equal to under root 2A. Under root 2A. Now using angle sum property or property of isosceles triangle, we can say that angle A will be angle C, like you can write AB equal to BC. Therefore angle A equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Sides are equal. Now therefore by angle sum property we can find A equal to 45 degree. Suppose we need to find sin 45. First of all, we write sin A equal to P upon H. For angle A, P is BC and H is AC. For angle A, you can write 45. So sin 45 will be what? BC is A, AC is root 2A. We can cancel them. We will get the value of sin 45. Similarly, we can find value of cos A is formula is B by H. So putting the value of A as 45, B is here AB and H is here AC. So it will be A upon root 2A. So we will get 1 by root 2A. You can find similarly other values. If we need to find tan 45, it will be P upon B. So 1 by A by A, that is 1. Similarly, sec, cosec and cot will be calculated using the same figure. Now we will learn how to find value of 30 degree and 60 degree geometrically. For that purpose, we will draw an equilateral triangle. Let each side of this equilateral triangle is of 2A. Draw perpendicular from A to BC. Now you know that in equilateral triangle altitude is also median. So BD will be equal to CD, that is of A each. Now use the PGT in triangle ABD. Will find AD. AD is perpendicular here, so it will be the square of hypotenuse minus the square of base. So AB is here 2A, BD is here A. It will be 4A square minus A square, that is 3A square. Therefore AD equal to root 3A. You know that all the angles of equilateral triangle are equal. That is angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. So mark this angle as 60. Now using angle sum property of triangle, we can find angle A, that will be of 30 degree. Now suppose we want to find sin B in triangle ABD. So sin B will be formula is P by H. P is here AD, H is here AB, and put the value of B as 60 degree. AD is root 3A and AB is 2A. Cancel them. You will get root 3 by 2. That is sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly, we want to find sin 30 degree, and 30 is at A. So sin A equal to formula will remain same. P is here BD and H is here AB. So sin 30 equal to BD upon AB. BD is A, AB is 2A. Using same formula of ratios, you can find sin 6 cos 60, cos 30, tan 60, tan 30, etc. Thank you for watching the video.